Welcome to MK Origami, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to fold an origami scorpion. This is one of the most fun models you can make with a sheet of paper, and is very easy, but you do need to know the basics of origami. And for this model, you do need scissors, and optional maybe some tape as well. Scotch tape probably will work the best because it's transparent. Okay, so to begin off, you're going to use a sheet of square paper, and what we're going to do is we're going to fold it diagonally. So take this point here, I'm going to fold it to that point. So I'm going to take it, I'm going to fold it like that. Make a good crease. Now what we're going to do is we're going to fold it the other way. So take this point here, fold it to that point. So I'm going to take it and fold it to that point. Make a good crease. And run it with your fingernail. Okay? So now, on your sheet of paper, you should have an X. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take this edge here and fold it to this edge. So you want to take it and you want to fold it. Make a good crease. Open it up. Now what we want to do is you want to take this edge, fold it to that edge on top. So you want to take it, you want to fold it up. Make a good crease. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to take this crease right here. I'll show it to you maybe a little better. So to begin off, we're going to fold the paper in half. Now what we want to do is you want to open it up, right? You want to take this crease right here, you want to bring it up. So you see I'm bringing it up, I'm using that crease to bring it up, like this. Okay? What we're going to do next is there's a crease right here. You want to fold that down. There's a crease right here. I'm going to fold that upwards like that. You see you want to squish or squash down, you just want to squash it down like that. Make a good crease. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to make it into a bird base. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this crease or this edge, fold it to that center line. So you want to take it and fold it to the center line. Flip it over and do the same thing. So you want to take it and fold it to the middle line. Take it and fold it to the middle line. So now you have something that should look like a kite. And there's flaps on both sides. Now what we're going to do is we're going to open it up. So just open the flaps up. And now we're going to take this point and we're going to open it up. Okay? And as you open it up, you should have something like this. Maybe make a small dent like that. And you see these creases here, when you sort of, if you do this, right, you sort of can fit it together. You want to push on those creases you've made and fit them perfectly like this. Okay? You want to do the exact same on the other side. So you're going to open it up Okay? And you're gonna make a small dent right there. And you see these creases right here? Right? You're gonna use those creases and you're just gonna sort of push on them. And as you push on them, you're gonna squish them down. And it should result in a bird base. Okay? Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna fold it in half. So you wanna take this side and you wanna fold it in half. Flip it over. Take this bird base, right, and fold it in half. So you have something like this that can separate. And what you're gonna do with the separate part is you want to make sure that you're gonna take this, you wanna push it down. So you wanna take this and you wanna push it down like this. The more you push down, the more is better, but it's really optional how much you want to push down. Do the exact same. Try to push more down, it's going to be way easier, but depends on what you want. So at the end, no matter what, you should have something like this. And what we're going to do with this is we're going to take it, and we're going to squash it up. So you want to take that, and squash it up. Once you squash it up, you should be able to have something like this. The exact same. So you want to take it, you want to, so I'll show it to you better. So you want to take it, you want to squish that up. So you want to take that and squish it upwards. Okay? So take that up and squish it down. So now you should have something like this. Okay, what we're gonna do now is we're just gonna sort of get this thing out, okay, like that. And what you like to do is you want to take this edge, the whole edge right here, you want to put it toward the middle. Okay? Do the exact same. So you want to take that, you want to fold it towards the middle. Make sure you make the creases because scissors will come anytime right now. And you want to carefully put it back. And so, if you did it well, so first, if you get it back, you're gonna tuck those in, right? You get it back, then you can just tuck it back up again. Well, once you need it, I guess. Basically, it's like that, right? And of course, sometimes it's gonna result smaller, and it happens to my models all the time. So what you want to do, kind of, is you just want to try and make it as big as you can. So do the exact same. Pull it toward that middle edge. Like this, right? And you want to put it toward the middle. Do the exact same for this one. Now, of course, it's gonna go off. And what you'll like to do here is, of course, you want to make it as big as possible, or as much as you will like. Okay? Like that. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this point up here, right? I'm gonna make some squiggles, as you can see the squiggles right here. And just want to make maybe one, right? Maybe another one, 2, 3, maybe about one last one, 4. Just like that. And you sort of want to just stretch it out a bit. Okay, this is the cutting part, so you want to watch carefully. So I just want to lift it up like that. And you're gonna use the scissors here provided, or the scissors you have at home. And what you like to do is, you see the line right here. What you want to do is you want to open it up, and you see there's lines right here, right? You like to cut that. So I'll show it to you like this. You want to cut. I like to cut right there, right in the middle line, right there. You don't want to cut it all the way through. You want to cut it so it's right there. Okay, right there. So you don't want to cut it all the way, but you do want to still cut. Okay. Oh, like that. Okay, so you want to cut it. So now it's like that. And you're gonna now cut even more. So what you'll like to do now is you're gonna cut it more. So what you wanna do is, you see the lines we've created still. There's a line and a crease right here and a crease right there. You're gonna cut all, and you're gonna cut on that line as well. Okay. I'm going to cut on that line. And by the end now, you should have something like this. Okay? Okay, so what we're going to do now, so just pretend the middle two, because you see they're separated even more, just pretend they're one. Okay? We're going to tape those later, but for now you don't need to. You're going to flip it over. Okay? So, and what you would like to do is, you see it's divided like that. You want to take the first one, divide it up, right? And you would like to make a crease just like that. Okay? Or you can fold even more to the upwards. Fold the second one, a bit smaller now, right? Do the exact same to the other side. So you want to take these two and just fold them upwards. Fold them like that, right? Take these two and fold them up like that. So now when you have them on the other side, you should be able to have something like that. Okay? And what we're going to do now, we're just going to add a bit of tape so that these two, right, these two that are missing here are going to be connected together. So you just want to add maybe just a dab of tape, like that much. And what you like to do with this is just sort of tape in the middle and have like that. Okay? Just add a little bit of tape like here. I'm going to just tape it like that. Okay. And so now you should be able to have something like this. Okay. And all you gotta do now is put the squiggles back. Okay, like that. It's okay if it sort of pops up. It won't really make a big difference. And all you gotta do now is, if you like, you see I put some eyes, you draw some circles here, right? If you want, you can do that as well. So right here, you put an eye here. Put an eye right there. Okay, we're finished. And we have our origami scorpion. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you learn how to make the origami scorpion. Be sure to comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next time on my next video. Bye bye everyone.